Oh my god, that monkey is actually eating the bait. Did you just see that, Whitey? I don't know if you saw that or not, so we'll carry on the video if you want, and we'll see what happens. Okay. Oh my god, it's still eating it. Can you see that, Whitey? And as you can see that, I have some raisins for them, and they love to eat raisins. That's why I put their raisins. So that there's one monkey that is eating one. See, and now they just ate everything. Can you see this? This is raisins that I gave them. Okay, so look how they eat right now. And they're like babies, okay? So we'll carry on the video. So which way should we go? Should we go this way or should we go this way? I think we should go this way. So let's just go around this place. And as you can see, there's a long tunnel going and going and going. And look, there's actually eggs there. What? Can you count, guys? At the end, I'll tell you the answer, and I can't tell you right now because it's gonna be a secret. Okay? Nah. Okay, so we'll carry on. Oh wait, they're actually potatoes. Nah. Wait, I need this. No, I'm just making them count the beans. Okay, there are actually 35 of those potatoes, so let's just carry on with the monkey thingy. Okay, so Whitey, there's actually something that is a gorilla with something on white. Ignore the people if they come past, but there's actually a gorilla right there, sitting down right there, and it's just so cool. It's sitting near the tire doing something. So listen to what she says. Okay.